In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Chevy Colorado. This is going to be located on the driver's side in the engine bay. Let's get into it. I'm going to disconnect the battery, use a 10mm wrench, loosen up this nut on the negative side. So that's loose, take the terminal off, set that to the side. Now we'll disconnect the positive side, use a 10mm wrench as well. Take that off out of the way. We take the cover off. There's a hose right here. Just pop that forward. To take the cover off, there is a clip over here. Just take a straight blade screwdriver, push on that clip. You can raise the cover up. You can see that. That's a clip right there. Pull that up. And there's one on the other side. This one wasn't attached. Pull those out. Remove the battery strap or the hold down. Use a 13mm socket. Take this nut off. Take that off. Pull that out. Take the battery, you want to pull it forward a little bit. There's that little wedge, you want to pull that out. Grab the battery, pull it up, out of the way. Take the battery, line that up. Now you want to take this hold down, put that over the stud, and the strap. Slide that through there. It's going to go over the stud. Put the nut on. And tighten this down. All right, that's snug. Give it a wiggle. It's tight. This battery cover is going to go over the top. Again, move the wires out of the way. Clip it in place. Take this hose, push that on. Wire retainer right here, push that in place. Connect the positive side. Tighten this down. Give it a wiggle. That's tight. And you can do the negative side. Tighten down the nut. Give it a wiggle. That's good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.